こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか？ Hello, how are you? Today, grammar video number 81 and I'm going to explain about 取り立て助詞. 助詞 means particles. In the kanji of 助, it comes from 助けます to help. And し and this is the grammatical word. So something to help. So 助詞, this is particle. We need particles to show which is nouns or which is the direct object and which is indirect object like this. For this, we need 助詞 in Japanese language. 取り立て助詞, it means focus particles. It means to emphasize something. And we need to use 取り立て. Actually, in my grammar video number 42, I already talked about this 取り立て助詞. And in that case, where we must use が, we changed to は. And that case was 取り立て. And if you want to watch this, I'm going to put the link below. But in today's video, I'm going to explain you when we change this を to は. This is を is for the direct object. But sometimes we change to は. I'm going to buy a cake tomorrow. Tomorrow, we say 明日。明日。Cake, ケーキ。ケーキ。And the verb 買います to buy. Here we use the particle を。ケーキを。ケーキを。Because before を this word ケーキ this direct object. 明日ケーキを買います。明日ケーキを買います。But now I'm gonna focus the cake. ケーキ. It means, what are you going to do with the cake? Well, what to do with the cake? Well, the cake I'm gonna buy tomorrow. But the cake I'm gonna buy tomorrow. In this case, we're going to use は instead of を. And we're gonna put this ケーキは in the first part of the sentence. ケーキはどうしますか？ケーキは明日買います。ケーキは明日買います。Please put the meat in the fridge. Meat, we say 肉. This is meat, 肉. Fridge, 冷蔵庫。冷蔵庫。And the verb to put in 入れます。入れます。And we usually say something or some place に入れます。It means I put something in some place. 肉を冷蔵庫に入れてください。肉を冷蔵庫に入れてください。But now I'm gonna focus the meat. In this case, please don't put fish in the fridge because I'm going to prepare right now. But meat, please put in the fridge. In this case, we are not going to use を、肉を. It's like a direct object. But we are going to use 肉は because this is 取り立て. This is focus particle to emphasize. 肉は冷蔵庫に入れてください。肉は冷蔵庫に入れてください。Can I smoke here? The vocabulary 吸います to smoke. And we usually say タバコを吸います。タバコを吸います to smoke. Here, in this case, we say ここで. We use particle で because 吸います this is the action verb. So ここで吸います。ここでタバコを吸ってもいいですか？ここでタバコを吸ってもいいですか？ Well, here it's non-smoking area. So please smoke outside. Vocabulary 禁煙 This is prohibited to smoke. Non-smoking area. 禁 this is the verb to prohibit. And en this is smoke. Exterior, outside, we say 外. And the kanji is quite easy. This part, the ta from katakana, and the right part is to from katakana. 外. To smoke, we usually say タバコを吸います。Can I smoke? タバコを吸ってもいいですか? But if I focus on タバコ No, タバコ please don't. タバコ please don't smoke. タバコは吸わないでください。ここは禁煙ですから、タバコは外で吸ってください。ここは禁煙ですから、タバコは外で吸ってください。Do I have to take off my shoes here? Oh yeah, the shoes, yes, please take them off here. The verb 脱ぎます to take off. This is group 1, 脱ぎます。So the knife form 脱がない。Then 脱がなければなりません。I have to take off. 脱がなければなりませんか? Do I have to take off? The shoes 靴。ここで靴を脱がなければなりませんか? ここで靴を脱がなければなりませんか? はい。靴はここで脱いでください。はい。靴はここで脱いでください。Please write down your name and your telephone number. The address? No, address? You don't have to. Vocabulary. 名前 or with respect お名前 name. 電話番号 telephone number 電話 this is telephone 番号 numbers so 電話番号 telephone numbers 住所 it comes住 it 住みます to live ところ the place where you live 住所 this is address 住所 address the verb 書きます to write this is group 1 so the te form with that is 書いて and knife form do you remember this key you must change to the sound of 書きくけこ so 書かない the knife form of 書きます to write 書かない I don't write ここにお名前と電話番号を書いてください。ここにお名前と電話番号を書いてください。住所は書かなくてもいいです。住所は書かなくてもいいです。I must take medicines every morning. But this red-colored medicine, this red one, only once a week. Vocabulary 毎朝 every morning, each morning 毎朝 and the verb 飲みます to drink. But in the case of medicine, we say 薬 medicine 薬を飲みます to take some medicines 薬を because this is direct object 薬を飲みます take medicine 赤 red only 赤 it's like the noun 赤 red and 赤い adjective red something for example これは赤です this is red this is a red pencil これは赤い鉛筆です。I already explained about the frequency of the times. But 1週間に1回 it means once a week. Once 1回 a week. 1週間に1回 だけ it means only. This is also 取り立て助詞. It is the focus particle to emphasize. Because for example, これだけ only this. Only you. あなただけ only you. Only today. 今日だけ。毎朝薬を飲まなければなりませんが、この赤い薬は1週間に1回だけです。毎朝薬を飲まなければなりませんが、この赤い薬は1週間に1回だけです。I had some beer with my friend last night, but wine, I didn't drink it. Last night, we say 昨日の晩。Actually, 昨日 it means yesterday. Yesterday's night. 昨日の晩。This is last night. Easy vocabulary. 友達 a friend or friends. 友達。ビール beer. But please be careful. Without this long sound, only ビル Without this, ビル it means building. So with this, ビール beer. 飲みます to drink or to have to drink beer ビールを飲みます。wine 昨日の晩友達とビールを飲みましたが、ワインは飲みませんでした。昨日の晩、友達とビールを飲みましたが、ワインは飲みませんでした。Please close the door. Windows? No, windows you don't have to. Door. This is door. 閉めます。The verb to close. Without must, め A sound 閉め。So this is group 2. And this is the easiest without any changing. So 閉めます。手フォーム閉めて。ないフォーム閉めない。And 窓。This is windows. ドアを閉めてください。ドアを閉めてください。窓は閉めなくてもいいです。ドアを閉めてください。窓は閉めなくてもいいです。Please bring some drinks to the party. The food. No, you don't have to. It's not necessary. Drinks. 飲み物。飲み comes from the verb 飲みます。To drink. 物 the things to drink. 飲み物。Then 食べ物 it comes from the 食べます。to eat. The things to eat. 食べ物 This is food. 持ってきます。To bring something. Because 連れてきます。Bring someone. People. So in this case, 持ってきます。パーティーに飲み物を持ってきてください。食べ物は持ってこなくてもいいです。持ってこなくてもいいです。パーティーに飲み物を持ってきてください。食べ物は持ってこなくてもいいです。Today we learn about the focus particle when we use を like a direct object, but sometimes we change to は because this is emphasize. Well, now we are going to begin the quiz. 5 questions, all of them translations into Japanese. 1番目 You can't drink alcoholic drinks at school. お酒 You can't drink お酒 at school. But water? Water? Yes, you can. 2番目 Today I bought some cheap meat in a new supermarket. But fish I didn't buy it. Today I bought some cheap meat in a new supermarket. But fish I didn't buy it. 3番目 Homework you must submit it by Friday. Friday is the last day that this is the time limit. Okay? Homework you must submit it by Friday. 4番目 Where do you want me to put this luggage? Oh, that luggage? Please put it under the window. 5番目、最後です。The last one. My grandchildren read storybooks every night. But scaring storybooks? They don't read them. Today we read 取り立て助詞. Okay, this is the focus particle when we want to emphasize something. Even though there are many 取り立て助詞, but today we focused from を to は. Well, this is は, お and わ. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a like, and also if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it. And if you can share my videos with your friends, that will help me a lot. And now please listen to me the last words in Japanese. いかがでしたか？今日は取り立て助詞を勉強しました。そして特にこのをはに変える練習をしました。気に入っていただけましたか？もしそうだったらぜひいいねボタンお願いいたします。それからチャンネル登録、そして私のビデオをお友達に紹介していただけたらとても嬉しいです。ぜひお願いいたします。ではまた次のビデオでお会いしましょう。じゃあね、バイバイ。